Giggles and grapes.
Let's sing the new bingo song, but with a challenge. You don't have to clap or stomp. Just keep up with the pace and skip the letters in black. Think you can do it? But beware, it's a fast track. Catch it if you can.
3, 2, 1.
This was the bingo challenge. Tough, right? Okay, so now can you do it? Give it one more shot. And don't forget to take a screenshot of Nini and share it on our Instagram. If you want to win a tablet, buckle up.
3, 2, 1.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.